guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Princess and this is a Valentine's Day special video, and in this video I'm going to be doing this makeup look, and if you want to see how to do it then just keep watching. So first I'm taking this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and I'm spraying it on my face. Then for primer, I'm taking the Tarte Poreless Mattifying Primer. For foundation, I'm taking the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. To conceal under my eyes, I used the Makeup Forever Full Cover Camouflage Cream Concealer and I applied it right under my eyes. I used this concealer as a highlighting concealer. This is the GIRL PRO Conceal and I applied it under my eyes, on my smile lines, around my lips, and I'm also going to be applying it on the bridge of my nose and the sides of my forehead. I've applied it under my eyes already, on my smile lines already, and around my lips already, and I've blended that, and I'm gonna blend the bridge of my nose and on the sides of my forehead. So for my eyebrows, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pro Pomade in the color dark brown, and this is how they look. And to set all of my foundation and concealer and highlighting concealer, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Kit. First I'm taking this color. Then to contour, I'm going to be using this shade. To prime my eyelids, I'm taking the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Eye Primer. So I applied it off camera. And for eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Nudes palette. And here it is. First, I'm taking the shade Tickle. So I'm applying it on the crease, above the crease and below the crease. Then I'm taking the shade Love Bite and I'm going to apply this shade right on the crease. I'm just going to use a little more of this crease color so that when I'm cutting the crease it will be sharp. If I smudge it right now and then use a concealer on top of it, then it's going to be very sharp. Then I'm taking this concealer It's called Conceal. I'm gonna apply it on my lids, trying to cut the crease. I'm gonna be taking the color Daydream, and it's such a pretty glittery color. I'm just gonna use my fingers to apply this. I'm gonna apply it all over my lids. For eyeliner, I'm gonna be using Benefit their Real Push-Up Liner. For highlight and blush, I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill Becca palette. For blush, I'm taking this shade. For highlight, I'm taking this shade. And then I'm just taking this brush without any product on it. I'm just going to blend everything. For mascara, I'm taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I applied the mascara off camera. For false lashes, I'm taking the Huda Beauty false lashes in Noel number 14. And this is one of their faux mink lashes. And look how pretty they are. So this is how they look. For lip liner, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Pencil in the shade Muse. And for lipstick, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Queen Bee. I'm just gonna apply a setting spray. So this is basically a very pinky lavender look, and I hope you guys like it. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you really did, then make sure to hit the thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on notifications for my channel. If you tried out this makeup look, then make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. So this is it for this video, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and very happy Valentine's Day to you guys.